Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw Belle from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm going to draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm going to draw the top of her hair with an arch curve line across, like that. And from the ending point on the left, diagonal line downwards to the right and mirror that same diagonal line on the right side. From the tip of that shape at the lower point, I'm going to draw a curved line out to the left, turn it upwards on the outer corner on the left, semicircle turn with a curved line to the right. Mirror that same set of shape on the right side. From the top right corner of her head, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally downwards to the right, turn it inwards, and to her ear, turn it diagonally in to the left, sharp turn upwards on the left corner with a curved line, turn it diagonally up to the left. Below that, on the right corner, curved line downwards, turn it diagonally down to the left. Below the ear right there, I'm going to draw the top of the sack which she is holding with an arch curve line right there. Turn it diagonally down on both sides. And from the ending point on the left, turn it diagonally up to the left, semicircle turn downwards with a diagonal line, sharp turn upwards on the left corner, semicircle turn downwards on the left, curved line downwards and to the right. On the right side, I'm gonna turn it diagonally up to the right, semicircle turn downwards, diagonal turn upwards to the right, semicircle turn downwards, and turn it diagonally down to the left. Now for her glasses, I'm gonna draw the frame on the right with a circular shape at the top left corner of the sack right there, and inside of that I'm going to draw another circular shape surrounding the edge. At the top right corner of the frame, I'm going to draw a diagonal line upwards to the right, semicircle turn to the right, and turn it diagonally down to the left. At the lower right corner of the frame, I'm going to draw a diagonal line out to the right and downwards, semicircle turn to the right and down, turn it back diagonally upwards to the left and to the frame. I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the frame on the left side of her face. And in between the frame, I'm going to draw a line across at that corner. And below that, I'm going to draw an upside down V shape. And below that, I'm going to draw her nose with curved line across. And from the same corner on the left, I'm going to draw the lower line of her nose with another curved line across and stretch it downwards in the middle point. Turn it back upwards on the right corner. Below the nose, I'm going to draw her mouth with curved line across from the left, diagonally upwards to the right. From the ending point on the left, semicircle turn downwards, semicircle turn back to the right, across to the right, and turn it diagonally up, semicircle turn upwards. Now inside of her mouth, I'm going to draw a line downwards on the left corner, and repeat that same line downwards across to the right. Like that. Now inside of the left frame, I'm going to draw the pupil of her eye with a circular line on the left corner right there. And on the right frame, in the middle point on the left, curved line across to the right, turn it diagonally up, on the right corner. From the same point on the left, arch curve line across to the right. Turn it across to the ending point on the right corner. Above the frame at the inner corner, I'm going to draw her eyebrow with a line upwards at that point, slightly to the left, sharp turn diagonally downwards to the right, turn it across to the right and slightly up, sharp turn downwards at that corner. I'm gonna fill in the eyebrow with black color. Mirror the same shape of her eyebrow on the left side. Now from the top left corner of her head, I'm going to draw the left side of her hair with curve line diagonally down to the left. Turn it downwards, turn it inwards to the right, sharp turn upwards at that corner. Continue the line of her hair above the glasses with a diagonal curve line upwards and to the right. Below her hair on the left, I'm going to draw the shape of her face with curve line downwards. Same is going to turn diagonally to the right and to her chin. Curve line across on her chin to the right. Turn it diagonally upwards on the right side of her face. Now for her left ear, below the hair at the outer corner, curve line downwards and out. Turn it inwards diagonally to the right. Now on the right side of her forehead, I'm going to draw a star shape with an upside down V shape for the upper part. Turn it diagonally up to the right, sharp turn downwards at that corner. Turn it diagonally down to the right, sharp turn upwards diagonally to the left. Turn it diagonally down to the left and sharp turn upwards at that corner. Below her head, I'm going to draw her scarf on the right corner with curve line downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it diagonally down to the left, same as turn across to the left and slightly downwards. Turn it back diagonally upwards on the left side of her face and arch curve line to the side of her face. Below the scarf on the left, curve line out, same as turn downwards. And at that ending point, I'm going to draw a triangular shape at that corner and another triangular shape below that at that point. Below the first triangular shape, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards at the tip right here. Same as turn to the right, curve line downwards. Same as turn to the right. Sharp turn upwards at that corner. Below that, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards and slightly to the right. Flare it out to the left, turn it diagonally down to the right, an upside down V shape across to the right at that corner, and at that ending point, I'm going to draw an arch curve line across, turn it downwards on the left corner, U curve line to the right, turn it upwards on the right side. Now for her right hand, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally up from the right corner right there, turn it diagonally down to the left, same as turn downwards, turn it diagonally up to the right, across to the right. Repeat that same shape of the finger again at this lower point, and below that I'm going to draw a curve line downwards, and on the right side of that, a short line up, same as turn to the right. At the outer corner of the hand, I'm going to make a turn downwards with curve line on the right side. And below her hand, I'm going to draw a curve line across. Turn it diagonally out on both sides. And for the lower part of the sack, I'm going to draw a semicircle line across. Now inside of the sack, I'm going to draw a circular shape. And inside of that, I'm going to draw a semicircle line and I'm going to leave a gap at the lower point. And at that gap, from the left, I'm gonna draw a short line downwards, across to the right, and a line upwards on the right corner. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a circular shape on the left corner for the eye of the skeleton, and another circular shape on the right for the right eye. In between the two small circular shape, I'm gonna draw a small triangular shape for his nose. Below her scarf on the right, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards to the right, turn it downwards, and turn it diagonally up to the right. Inside of that, I'm gonna trace the same outline along the edge at this lower point. Curve line upwards on the right corner right there. Now on the left side of that, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards below her scarf. Same is gonna turn to the left and turn it upwards on the left corner. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna draw a line across in the middle point. Repeat that same set of shape on the left corner. And below her vest, I'm gonna draw a line across for the top of her belt to the right there, and another line across at this lower point, a line downwards at the ending point on the left. Inside of her belt, I'm gonna draw a circular shape on the left corner and a black dot in the middle point. And on the right side of that, another similar set of shape right there. Continue the line of her belt across to the right at the lower point. Turn it upwards at that corner, and above that, a line across from the left. Same as turn upwards and turn it to the left. Below the belt, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards in the middle point right here. Same as turn to the right. Same as turn upwards with curved line at that corner. On the right side of that buckle, continue the line of her belt across to the right and turn it upwards. Below the belt on the left, I'm going to draw the outer line of her left leg with curved line downwards. Turn it slightly inwards to the right. Curved line downwards below that to her boots. A V shape across to the right. Extend it diagonally up with curved line to the right. Turn it downwards at that corner and slightly to the left. Curve line across to the left. Turn it upwards on the left corner and turn it diagonally to the right. Turn it upwards with curve line at that point and curve line across to the right. Above her boots, for the inner line of her leg, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards on the right corner. Turn it diagonally in to the left and up. Curve line upwards to the buckle of her belt. Now for her right leg, below the buckle of her belt, diagonal line downwards to the right for the inner line of her right leg. Flare it slightly out and turn it back to the right. A V shape across to the right at that corner. Sharp turn diagonally downwards to the right. Turn it downwards at that point. Curve line across to the left. Turn it diagonally up to the right. Curve line across to the right and turn it diagonally down to the right. At the inner corner of her boots, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally up to the left at that point, across to the right. Above her boots at the outer corner, curve line diagonally up to the left, turn it inwards to the left, curve line diagonally up to her belt. Below the belt, diagonal line downwards on the right corner to the right. Flare it out to the right and turn it downwards. Now for her left hand, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line downwards to the left. Same as turn downwards and to the right. Turn it back upwards diagonally to the right. Above that shape at the outer corner, curve line diagonally up to the left. Same as turn upwards and to the right. Curve line across to the right at the upper point. At the outer corner of that shape, I'm going to draw a curve line upwards, flare it out to the left and semi-turn up. curve line diagonally across to the right. Above that, at the outer corner, curve line upwards at that point. Above that ending point, I'm going to draw a line across, turn it upwards, turn it diagonally up to the left, semi-turn downwards, across to the right, and semi-turn downwards, all the way to the lower point, and semi-turn to the left. Sharp turn to the right at the lower point. On the left side of that shape, from the middle point, I'm going to draw a line diagonally up to the left, across to the left, semi-turn downwards, across to the right, semi-turn downwards, diagonal line downwards and to the right, semi-turn to the left. On the left side of that shape, diagonal line out to the left and slightly downwards at the lower point, and I'm going to do the same thing at the upper corner right there. And from the ending point on the left, semi-turn downwards, turn it diagonally down to the right, and semi-turn to the right at the lower point. Semi-turn upwards on the right corner, turn it diagonally up to the left, semi-turn back out to the left. Below her ear on the left, I'm going to draw a line downwards and flare it slightly out to the left. Turn it sideways to the left and semi-turn to the right. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the left and diagonally downwards. Curved line across to the right and diagonally downwards. On the left side of that, a line across to the left. From the side of her ear, I'm going to draw a curved line out to the left, turn it diagonally up. Continue that line across on the other side on the left right there. Above that, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line to the side of her head and another similar curved line below that. Below that, a diagonal line across, semi-turn downwards, turn it slightly to the left. On the right side of her head, I'm going to draw a line across to the right and slightly up, semi-turn downwards, turn it diagonally to the left, semi-turn diagonally up to the left, turn it upwards, semi-turn to the left, diagonal line across to the left and downwards. Inside of that shape on the right corner, I'm going to draw two lines across at that point. I'm going to repeat that same shape and mirror it at this lower point. Now on the right side of her shoulder, I'm going to draw a short line across at the side of her scarf. Below that line, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards at that point. And finally, I'm going to draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!